$100,000.
Wow! Oh, wow.
All right, the best film of the first ever Cine Film Festival is Best Film, Dream Boy.
Congratulations, Dream Boy, on winning Best Film. Enjoy.
We chose Dream Boy for its precision, clear and confident without ever feeling restricted. It's direct in its message, yet elevated by the playfulness of its directorial voice, which adds vibrancy and rhythm to the story. Dream Boy stands out not just for what it represents, but for how it creates a rare and necessary space. A space where creativity continues to thrive and where voices can still find their way to be heard and celebrated. Cinema cannot just be fearless, it needs to be intimate, and that is the strength of Dream Boy.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you our best film ever for Cine Film Festival 2025, Dream Boy!
Unang-una, maraming salamat kasi may cash prize. 300,000 pa yung utang ko, may pambayad na kami. But thank you po, Sinisilip. Siguro I'll share this award with the other NDs, yung 6 NDs po natin. Miko, Pongs, BC, Rans, Gian, sino ba? Si Alpha. Thank you kasi lagi kong sinabi ko na ata ito kay Pongs, pero sinasabi ko na historical ang first Sinisilip kasi kung saan man ito mapunta one day, di ba? Tayo yung mga unang nagtapang, di ba? At nagpasarap, at nagpasarap ng film festival na to. I share this award to Dream Boy. Yes, di ba? Dream Boy siya talaga. To everybody who have supported our film, to those who are still looking for tickets to cinemas, I don't know what happens next after this, but sa mga non-believers na mga pelikula ng NTs ng Sinisilip, ang masasabi ko lang po sa inyo ay some stories really do refuse to die. Kasi, ang sarap lang. Thank you po! Salamat!
Alright, congratulations. Please do us the honors.
Manood pa rin po kayo ng Quezon, ha?
Exactly.
Palabas pa rin sa 200 cinemas, over 200 cinemas. And Sinisilip's 2025's Best Director is... Rodina Singh, Dream Boy.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our best director for the first ever Cine Film Festival, none other than Rodina Singh for Team Dream Boy.
Yes, so we have a group photo with all our presenters and Direct Rodina. Please join Direct Rodina. Congratulations again to Dream Boy.
Sorry, hindi po talaga kami expecting. I'll be very, very honest. Coming into this festival, I have lost my faith to be actually be given a chance to do a film again. I thought this industry wasn't meant for girls like me. And then I'm really, really grateful for Sinisilip for actually giving us the opportunity to bring this story to life. I share this award to everybody who have believed in what we have what we can bring to the table, regardless of so many difficulties. My God, magkukwento lang po kami, 4 na sinihan, 1 linggo, 2 milyong piso. Pero bawal daw kaming ipalabas. I share this award to everybody who have believed in what Dreamboy can bring to life. To Tony Labrusca for believing in what we can do. Tony halos libre na, siya na gumastos ng transformation niya, ganyan. And thank you for saying yes. Kahit na hindi ka pa nakakabasa ng script. To EJ, I share this award with you kasi since the first draft, alam mo na yung script kung saan siya pupunta. To Mix, may award ka na. To Arnex, our editor, to Malay, to Chippy, to Silas, to Iman, to Tonette Daone for actually being one of my, hindi niya kino-consider na mentor ko siya, but I learned so much from you. I share this award to Moira Lang as well. Thank you for inspiring that trans people like us can actually take the screen and write our own story. Siguro, sorry ang haba talaga, pero hindi kami token. Hindi po kami token. At may this award remind everybody that sa isang sining malaya, ang mga kwentong tulad ni Dreamboy at na lahat ng ginawa ng mga direktor sa kauna-unahang sinisilip, hindi lang dapat ito sinisilip, dapat pinapanalo natin. Thank you po.
Once again, let's give a big round of applause for Direct Ron Singh on winning Best Director for Team Dreamboy. Grabe, I really felt the emotion.